Hi everyone, Victoria from HubTop. Today we will talk about the Wi-Fi model to control the ERV equipment. So now let's start.
Interface of the app you can turn on with the on and off button. Okay, let's turn it on. Now you should see the fan speed up top and the logo, weather, room temperature. Now at the bottom here you can see the OA temperature and filter cleaning time, CO2 concentration, humidity, PM2.5 concentration, and TVOC level. Now at the bottom bar you can see supply air. Supply air means supply air fan speed. You can change the fan speed. And same for exhaust air. Change fan speed. Temperature is for the temperature setting of the electric heaters.
Okay, that's all for the Wi-Fi model. If you would like further details, please contact our team.